They have revamped and came back with the entire new look of the YouTrip app. For those of you who do not know what the YouTrip card is, it's basically a multi-currency card that you can bring abroad with you to get better rates as compared to your bank's debit and credit card. Today, let's go through their upgrades, the new ATM withdrawal fee, the new look on their app. Let's get straight into today's video. Let's go. For those of you who do not know, I covered a lot about YouTrip and Trust Bank on my channel. You can take a look at the playlist, I'll link up above and down below. It's about time I did an update on them because there are a lot of new features, a new look, and also being able to withdraw at an ATM for free. In the past, they used to charge you a $5 ATM withdrawal fee, but right now, there's free ATM withdrawals for SGD $400, and anything above that, it's 2% on the withdrawn amount. I'll cover this a little more later on, but for those of you who do not know about the YouTrip card is like a prepaid wallet where you can top up your SGD inside the YouTrip app itself and then change for the currency in advance for those currencies that are supported here like Japanese yen, USD, GBP, and for those currencies that are not supported here, you can just leave your SGD inside, just use the card overseas, tap and go, and they will change the currencies for you on the spot. The rates you're getting is pretty close to what you will see on Google, probably also better than your exchanger in Singapore. So this is what the YouTrip card is all about. Some features, let's go through right now. If you want to top up the YouTrip app with SGD, you can do so via PayNow, Visa, or MasterCard top up. However, for Visa top up, there's a 1.5% service fee to top up using a Visa card. So I would recommend just using either a MasterCard to top up or just do a PayNow top up. This is how you can top up the YouTrip app itself and use the card wherever you go. The second feature of this is being able to send money to your friends who also have the YouTrip account. So if you're traveling with your friends, this is a great feature. If you want to pay them back because they've paid first, you can also use YouTrip to send money to them in the currency that's supported here or in SGD, whichever you prefer. Being able to exchange currencies in advance is also a feature that I really love. Take for example, later this year, I'm actually heading to Japan, and Japanese yen rates are really great right now as compared to 2-3 years ago. One SGD was equivalent to about 80 yen, but right now it's at 104 Japanese yen. So I've just changed like $100 over from SGD to Japanese yen yesterday, and the rates that I've gotten was 104 Japanese yen. So I can lock in the rates in advance if I feel that it's good, and it is what you can do for the currencies that are supported on YouTrip app. There's not a lot of supported currencies on YouTrip app, but for those that are supported right now, I'll put the list right over here. If it's not supported, then you can't change the rates in advance, but you can just top up SGD and bring the YouTrip card with you overseas. You're getting rates comparable to what you see on Google. A quick pause, for those of you who are looking for alternatives to stash your spare cash away and earn you a higher interest, no minimum amount, I've got something here for you. Stashaway is a digital wealth manager that offers investment portfolios and cash management solutions on their platform. Stashaway's Simple Guaranteed is their third cash management solution, and it offers a guaranteed 3.5% per annum. This lock-in period is for a period of 6 months. Regardless of whether you start today, you want to put $500 in there, lock it away for 6 months. Thereafter, you decided that you want to put more, you can then create another one and lock in another fixed deposit with them for a period of 6 months at the rate of 3.5%. If you want to sign up, you can check the link down in the description box below. When you sign up and you place an amount into the Simple Guarantee, you can actually get a $10 sign-up rewards with this link down in the description box below. If you're afraid that you keep it in a normal savings account, you can anytime get access and spend it away, then Stashaway Simple Guaranteed is a good alternative where you can lock it away for a period of 6 months and still earn you a 3.5%, no minimum, no maximum amount. They are also licensed by MAS if that is what you're worried about. And if you're asking, is there any fees involved by placing your amount into Stashaway Simple Guaranteed? There's no fees, no management fees at all. So whatever you get is just 3.5% after a period of 6 months placing your amount with Stashaway Simple Guaranteed. Now let's get back into today's video. Let's go. The next feature, again, there's endless about YouTrip. You'll be able to get perks when you use the YouTrip card to pay. Take for example, you are going to Shopee, Lazada, you can use the YouTrip card to pay and get up to 10% cashback on Shopee and Lazada. If you go to Agoda, Booking.com, Trip.com, Foodpanda, Amazon SG, Qatar Airways, Sheila Duty Free, you can just use the YouTrip card and you will get some form of cashback. There are promotions and perks on YouTrip app that you can use and pay with the YouTrip card to get some form of of cashback. The next feature is that they also have travel insurance with Hong Leong Assurance, where you can buy travel insurance and get up to 15% cashback on the travel insurance that you've bought. So this is another feature that I really love because they have a lot of perks that you can get additional cashback just by using the YouTrip card to pay. And this is in addition to the better exchange rates, the ATM withdrawal fees as well, which let's talk about the update. Prior to 15th of June 2023, they were actually charging $5 ATM fee per withdrawal, but there was no limitation to the withdrawal amount. It depends on the overseas ATM, how much do they let you withdraw in one transaction. Right now, after 15th of June, 12 midnight, there's a new change to YouTrip's ATM withdrawal fee. There's no withdrawal fee for any amount up to SGD $400 in a single month. Any amount above the $400 amount, they're charging you a 2% fee. Take for example, if you go overseas and you want to withdraw $800, the first $400 is free. The next $400, you're being charged 2% on $400, and that is $8 in fee. It might be good for some, might be bad for some. If you're withdrawing any amount below $400, then it'll be good for you because no fees, right? Any amount that is above $400, then look for alternatives, because there are alternatives out there like Trust Bank's debit card, where they do not charge you any ATM withdrawal fees when you use the Trust Bank debit card to withdraw with them. I have dedicated videos, I'll link up above and also down below. You can make reference to that. If you're going overseas and you're withdrawing a huge amount, then go towards Trust Bank. YouTrip is a great card because it's a prepaid wallet. You do not have to worry about what if you have so much stored value in a savings account and you get fraud transactions overseas. That is something that is really apparent these days. A lot of fraud transactions has been going on, and one of the reasons why I can show you this card with all the details right over here is because this card has been cancelled because I received a fraud transaction on my YouTrip card. And if you're wondering, did I get my money back? Yes, I did, and the amount is not huge as well. I do not store a lot of SGD in here, basically because of the reason like this. If there are fraud transactions that happen with your local ATM debit card or a credit card, you know that the amount charged to your card will be huge. With this being a prepaid wallet, you know that you do not have a lot of money in there. It gives you a peace of mind in that way as well. So this is why I really love the YouTrip card. It's something that I will still bring with me overseas to use. For those of you out there who are looking to sign up for YouTrip card, you can use my referral link down in the description box below and get $5 on your first top up with them. YouTrip is a great app. They have recently revamped their app and it looks really slick right now as compared to what it used to be in the past. I'll show you two side-by-side videos of the past and right now the new upgrade. It's safe. It gives you really great rates for whatever currencies that you're going overseas to use. Being able to get promotions, perks like getting cashback when you shop on Shopee, Lazada, booking on booking.com or Agoda, and also travel insurance, sending money to your friends, locking in rates, and the list goes on. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comments section below. This is YouTrip's 2023 update, the full beginner's guide. That is all I have for today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.